Alright, so thanks for joining me once again, and like I said earlier, I'm going to give you a complete walkthrough of what you can expect if you're thinking of using Peeksta as your product research tool for your dropshipping business. Now before we do that, let's quickly look at the pricing plan and see what is actually going to cost you if you want to use this product research tool for your business. So the monthly plan is going to cost you around $20 per month, and this yearly plan is going to cost you around $150 per month. So for the monthly plan, you're going to gain access to daily added product, and you're also going to gain access to full features of Peeksta, then also have the ability to save products. So for the yearly plan, you also gain access to everything that is in the monthly plan. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do now is log into my account, then show you exactly what you're going to expect from this tool. Alright, so I'm going to log in now, then show you what you can expect. Alright, so this is my dashboard, and as you can see, this is a product of this. So this is the number one trending product of the day. And this product is Shoe Whitening Cleanser, and this is currently the top ads, and the overall best ads on TikTok is this product. So this is having over 850 likes and 10k shares. Alright, so if you look to the left hand side of your dashboard, you can see all of the features of what Peeksta can actually do for your business. So the first one here is AI content generator. So this AI content generator actually generates content for your product. Now you can use this to generate title for your product. You can also use it to generate product description for whichever product you want. So I'm going to click on it. So if you click on content here, it's going to redirect it to where you can actually start using the tool. So we have product description, we have Facebook ad copy, and we have TikTok ad copy. So if you want to generate product description, all you simply need to do is just click on this, and if you want to use to generate ad copy for the product you want to sell on Facebook, you can also click this or choose this TikTok for the ads you want to use to promote on TikTok. So I'm going to click on you can easily click on product description here. So when you click on product description, it's going to ask you to choose the goal of what you want to do. So this is product description, and if you want to change it, for example, you want to generate a catchy title for the product you want to sell, all you simply is you just click on generate product title. So here it's going to ask you to describe the product you want to generate title for. So I'm just going to come over here. So let me quickly copy this and use this as an example. So I'm going to come back to Peeksta head and enter the product description here. So this is liquid cleaning white shoes. So I'm going to click on write for me. Alright, so as you can see, so these are the potential title you can use for this product. So I'm looking at the product on AliExpress. So the title is long and ugly. As you can see, it says liquid cleaning white shoe, suede sheepskin, blah 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 blah. But if you come back to Peeksta, now it has regenerated a catchy title for the product. So we have sparkle and shine liquid cleaning white shoes. So we have instant sparkled liquid cleaning white shoes. So we have white out liquid cleaning white shoes. So you can just play around it, and you could also change this if this doesn't sound right. So this is liquid cleaning white shoes. So you could just change it to liquid white shoe cleaner. Alright, then click on write for me, and it's going to regenerate a title for you. Alright, so the content is going to show you what you can actually do, and the template is going to show you what you can actually do with the AI content generator. So for winners here, so if you click on winners, you can see potential winning products that you can actually sell. So here you have the filter to search by keyword. You can also use this filter to check for newest or oldest winning product here, and you could also choose niches based on the kind of product you're finding. So if you're looking for products in art and beauty, all you simply need to just click on art and beauty, and it's going to bring out product in that niche. So based on the price of products you are looking, you could also use this filter to search for any product. So all these products are winning product that you can actually click on, then get more details about. So if you click on any of the product, it's going to show you more details about this product. So this is the definition of the product, and if you scroll down, you can see how you can actually target people that can buy this product. So this is the breakdown of the product. So the selling price for this product is $29, and the shipping price is around $3, and the cost price, now this is what the product is going to cost you from your supplier. So this is $5, and your profit margin on this product is going to be $21. Alright, so these are links to the product on AliExpress. So you click on the links, it's going to open up another tab where you can actually see the product on AliExpress. Alright, so as you can see now, this is the product on AliExpress, and on AliExpress the product is around $1, and the shipping fee for this product is around $5. So let's check for the product stat again. So the shipping is around $5, and the product price is around $3. So I think you're still on a good side here. So if you come back here, then click on the Facebook ads. You can see top ads on Facebook that you can actually use to search for product you can sell. Obviously, if an advert on Facebook is genuine, that means the product is actually selling. So you could also use this as a template to search for any product is you want to sell. So using the filter here, you could also search by country. So you can just choose United States, and then also use this sort by to check for last seen as, almost view ads, almost share ads. So you could also change the ads to English, French, depending on what you want. And if you want video only ads, you could also do that here. So these are Facebook ads, products that are performing well on Facebook. So if you scroll down, you can see TikTok ads. So just like Facebook ads, you could also use filter to check for any top performing ads on TikTok. So the next thing you can also do with Peeksta is track any store, any dropshipping store. So looking at here, what you want to do is you want to copy this URL of the store you want to track and paste it here, then click on track, and you'll be able to track whichever store you want to track. So while tracking the store, you'll be able to see their income for today. You're also going to see their income for the month and status of the store. So now let's take a look at Product Explorer here. So this Product Explorer is going to give you a list of different products, and there's also going to be a link to the store selling this product. So if I click on this, it's going to redirect us to the store selling the product. And as you can see, this is the product. So this product costs around $100. And as you can see, this is the addition of the product, so you can easily use it as a replica if you want to sell the product on your store. So this is Product Explorer. We also have Store Explorer here. So you could also explore different stores, then check out the kind of products they are selling on this store. So this is carrylux.com. So this is a store, right, that focuses on bats. So you could explore this store and see how well the store is doing. Then scroll down and check other different store you can choose to source for any kind of product you want to sell. So the next destination we're going to click here is suppliers. So if you click on suppliers, it's going to bring out different suppliers that you can use to search a product, that you can use to fulfill product when your customers start purchasing your product. So we have CJ Dropshipping, and we have them listed in the US yet. So the next features we're going to see here is the video maker. So for example, you have a product and you want to just image to create and add video for the product. So all you simply need to do is just click on this, upload the images of the product, then click on generate video. There is also royalty free music that you can use as the soundtrack for the video. So you can just click on this drop down menu, then choose from the available music and use as your video soundtracks. So this is for video maker, and if you want to generate a thumbnail, all you simply need to just click on this, then upload the image you want to use. Then use this filter to design the kind of thumbnail you want for your product. So we have audience builder. So this helps you build audience for any kind of product you want to sell using Facebook. So you have a product in mind and you really don't know the kind of audience you can target. Now this audience builder is going to help you choose the best audience that you can target for the product you want to sell. So we have best seller again. So the best seller also gives you access to best selling products. Alright, so you can just choose from all of the product listed among the best selling area here, then get the supplier that can actually source the product for you, then start selling on your dropshipping website. Alright, so this is basically what you can expect if you want to use Peeksta as a product research tool for your dropshipping business. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're yet to subscribe to the YouTube channel, please subscribe so you can get more videos like this. Alright, so thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.